Hey yo, we locked in. It's due season. It's your boy Carl Anthony. So look, just wanted y'all to give y'all a really a little update. Um, I went to the gym twice today. Did the two a day. It's my first time doing that in a long time, but it felt great. It felt great. It felt like I was getting myself together in so many words. I went yesterday as well, only once, but um, I got to get back in the habit of working out every day, and I'm gonna bring back the some of the workout videos soon. Once I know I can have the time to really get in the gym and be there and film and things like that. So quick update though, like I'm really figuring out the full gist of this channel. If you look at my banner, it says fashion, fitness, and finance. Now, the fashion part is not going to come into play until I'm more in shape. So, and that's just because there are certain looks I like that I'm not going to pull off at this weight. And I know some guys in my size, well, truthfully, nobody in my size looks like me. And, you know, I carry my weight pretty well as far as the number. The weight is, it doesn't, if you hear my number, you won't think that, and you look at me, you will not think I weigh that much. But um, it's because I have a lot of muscle. So, I do lift a lot. It's just, kind of trim some fat. So, but I like a more slender look, and so I don't get fresh until I get in my slender bag. You know what I'm saying? And so, um, once I drop a few pounds in sizes, then I'm gonna show you guys really how I do it on the dress up tip. And when I say dress up, I don't mean like suits and things. Even though I'm gonna get into that bag as well. But as far as just like my normal, get fresh daily type of fits and things of that nature. So that part of my lifestyle is gonna come out more so when I'm in better shape. That's the process. So the process is now getting to a healthy weight and um, a nice slender size to you know basically get fresh how I want to be. So, and outside of that, the fitness and the finance. I'm and when I talk about finance, I'm speaking on real estate, things that I see in the market. Some of my investments that I'm getting into. I'm a late investor. I'm not one of these guys. I'm not rich. I'm not claiming to be. I'm just saying, those are the things that I'm into right now. I want to get to the bag. I'm working towards the millions, and so I know I have to ingratiate myself with um, the knowledge of of finance. All things finance, whether it be the best ways to budget, um, the best ways to involve myself in real estate, the best investment strategies as far as stocks and crypto and things like that. And so that's what this channel is really geared towards. So it is what it is. It's your boy Carl Anthony, and I just wanted to give y'all that quick update. I'm going to the gym tomorrow as well. I'm not lacking. I'm not slacking. It's going to be a daily thing, and that's just what I'm going to do. Um, and guess what? I'm consistent with this video. Um, I want to get back to doing my Black Coffee Daily streams in the mornings, but that means I got to be a little more intentional about my timing. So I'm working those kinks out so I can bring you guys some real time commentary, and yeah, we're gonna get it together though, and we're gonna make it do what it do. All right. So hit the like button, for the YouTube algorithms. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Drop a comment. I answer every comment, as much as possible. Um, oh, side note, I watched El Guapo Beautiful Lies. I think that's his channel. But El Guapo, he did he talked about his thoughts on Glendon Cameron, and I didn't know that Glendon Cameron kind of made another video talking about how he would get away with sleeping with a 13-year-old. Can we get this guy up out of here for real? Can we please get this guy up out of here? I am sick and tired of him. He's a vile human being. He's not worthy of breath. But, you know, God says he's the author of life and I'm not God, so I can't really say who's worthy of breath or not. But I'm just saying I don't think he'll be that missed. But if cancel culture was anything real, could it be real now? It's some people that just don't need to be sharing their opinions and their thoughts and breathing their terrible breath in this here world. And that's just how I feel. And predators should get preyed on, preyed upon, and prayed for. So, a little compassion with punishment. But yeah, that guy's canceled in my eyes. And if I saw him, I'd punch him. Seriously. Hypothetically, I'll say. I don't want to get myself in any trouble. But it's your boy Carl Anthony. I'm out. Peace.